Says out. We have bombs, pass to begin. Danori inside the Reign of Roses. Then moving up party outside. Taritun, Sakura, IJ, Terminator, Rosig, while Green Money in that order. And going along for the first turn, we have bombs by Manaleng Kanehapa. And second is Taritun. 3 lengths away in third, Reign of Roses. Moving a party outside, Terminator. Then followed by Sakura IJ, Rosig now second last. And Green Money now running in last. As they swing down the back, bombs by only half a length. And already outside is Teritun, 4 lengths away in third. Moving up now is Terminator. Reign of Roses, dress back in fourth. And in fifth, Sakura IJ, Rosig also coming into the picture and a long way back to Green Money. Bombs by only ahead. Terminator moving a party outside to grab the leader. It's now Terminator. Rosig is already outside. Sakura IJ in the middle. Bombs spreading out. Reign of Roses, Teritun and Green Money as they come down at the last 200. The lead now belongs to Rosig now by about 2 lengths. Sakura IJ now moving up to take second. Terminator last 150. And it's still Rosig by 1 length. Sakura IJ sorry outside. But it's still Rosig. Sakura IJ, Terminator, Reign of Roses. Then comes Teritun, bombs.